To create a new reservation on the Megrez programming, click on New Reservation. Then we select a new guest to create the reservation for the guest. From this window, we can search for a guest who has previously stayed in the hotel by typing the guest's name. The guest's phone number, or the name of the company to which the guest belongs. We can also create a new guest. We fill in the guest data. If the guest is affiliated with a company, we can choose the company by clicking on the company button and choosing the company. Then we save the data and close the window. We will note that the reservation data is complete with the guest data and fill in the reservation data for the arrival and departure times. The system will automatically collect the number of days the guest will stay. We can change the room price by setting a fixed system price by pressing the System Price button or changing the price according to user permissions. We will notice that the system will automatically calculate the full accommodation value. We complete the rest of the information with the number of people, children, extra beds, and other notes about the reservation. And click the Save button. We will notice that the reservation has been created. We can now check in the guest or cancel the reservation from here. We can also print your booking confirmation. We can also view reservation by hovering over the room number. A tooltip with reservation information will appear. We can also view it according to the schedule or through the arrival window.